Hello. In this video, we are going to discuss the first section of NCHMCT 2014 paper. The section is numerical ability and scientific aptitude. So now it is only numerical ability that comprises of this particular section, but earlier it used to be a combination of numerical ability and scientific aptitude. So in first part of this video, I will be covering the question based on scientific aptitude. Fine. So let's start with question number 1. Okay, so the first question is the gas that is associated with greenhouse effect is. Now this is very easy, everyone must be knowing the answer to this question. The answer is option A, that is carbon dioxide gas, right? Now second question is the force which prevents us from slipping while walking on the road is, again, very easy question. It's the frictional force which prevents us from slipping, है ना? So the answer is option B, that is friction force. Now, third question is fly ash is produced by. So basically, fly ash, as आपको नाम से भी पता चल रहा होगा, as the term itself indicates, fly ash. It is basically the ash, है ना? That is the residues generated in combustion and comprises the fine particles. Fine. तो ये किससे होता है? ये combustion of coal की वजह से होता है. तो जब भी हम कोल को combustion का process होता है कोल का, उसमें fly ash produce होता है. So the correct answer to this question is option C, that is fly ash. Orion. Orion is a prominent constellation. You must be knowing this also. These are questions which, very common questions basically, or you must have read all these questions in your, 6th, 7th, 8th standard, right? So answer option D is the correct one. It is a constellation. The part that protects the human eye is, so देखिए human eye में क्या होता है जो protect करता है? See, blind spot is the point where when the light falls inside the eyes, so no image is formed. Retina is the point where when light falls, image is formed. So basically, cornea is the part of our eye which protects our eye. So the answer is option A, cornea. Question number 6. Which of the following is good conductor of electricity? Now see, distilled water, rainwater, tap water and seawater, all these are the forms of water. But seawater, as it contains salt in dissolved form and many other impurities as well, that is the reason this is the best conductor among the given 4 options. The correct answer is option C, that is seawater. Question number 7. Acid rain is caused by, now see, we have sulfur present in our air. So sulfur dioxide is the main oxide which is present in the acid rain. So sulfur and nitrogen also, in fact. So the correct answer to this question is option D, that is oxides of sulfur and nitrogen. इन्हीं की वजह से acid rain होता है. A mountain climber experiences a nosebleed due to, see what happens is when we are at the ground level. So suppose हम यहाँ पर हैं, तो हम पर इतना बड़ा एटमॉस्फेयर का प्रेशर है, और जब हम थोड़ी ऊपर हाइट पर चल जाते हैं तो जो एटमॉस्फेयर हमारे ऊपर है उसका जो प्रेशर है वो भी हम पर कम हो जाता है. So when the atmospheric pressure decreases, it results in the bleeding, है ना? नोज ब्लीड करता है उस केस में. So the correct answer is option A. ठीक है. Question number 9. The ENT doctor generally uses a, तो बेसिकली जो ENT डॉक्टर्स होते हैं वो कॉनकेव मिरर यूज करते हैं. कॉनकेव मिरर वो इसलिए यूज करते हैं so that it enlarges the image, जिससे वो अच्छे से चेकअप कर पाए, अच्छे से देख पाए. फाइन. So answer is concave mirror. Next question, question number 10 is 1 horsepower is equal to, now this is a very basic question again. So the answer is 746 watt. So 1 horsepower is equal to 746 watt. Next question. The filament of incandescent bulb is made up of tungsten. Why tungsten? Because it has very high boiling melting point. तो ये melt नहीं होता है, जो इसका temperature काफी increase होने पर भी ये melt नहीं होता है. Fine. So that is why tungsten is used. Now question number 12. Which one of the following power sources is not a non-conventional source of power? Now wind energy, natural gas, then the other options are solar energy and tidal energy. So the correct answer to this question is natural gas. Natural gas is non-conventional source, while the other three are they comes under the category of this is not a non-conventional source, right? तो इसका आंसर नेचुरल गैस हो जाएगा. दिस इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम ऑल द रिमेनिंग थ्री, इनफैक्ट यू कैन से. So the answer is natural gas. Question number 13. Which layer of earth is made up of iron and nickel? So the core of earth is made up of these two materials, these two metals, you can say iron and nickel. So the answer is option A, that is core. Question number 14. Now mercury, which is used in thermometer, is a liquid at room temperature and is a, now this is the exception, this is the only metal which remains in liquid state at room temperature. So mercury basically is a metal only, right? So the correct answer is option B, that is metal. Question number 15. Which part of food is most helpful in the process of digestion? Vitamins, fats, proteins and fiber. Now fibers are the most helpful, you can say, in the process of digestion. ये easily digest भी हो जाते हैं और ये help करते हैं easily digest होने में food को पूरे को. So the answer to this question is fibers. Now see, these were the questions that were based on the scientific ability. Now these were the questions that were based on your knowledge. You cannot solve this question actually, right? These are based on your knowledge. If you know the answer, then you know it. If you don't know the answer, then there is no, option to solve these questions, right? So अभी जो हो रहा है NCHMCT में, ये डायरेक्ट हटा दिए गए हैं, ऑल्दो जीके के सेक्शन में कुछ साइंस से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं. Fine. So in the next video, I will discuss the question based on numerical ability. Thank you.